I welcome to all of you in my class. Today I am going to discuss that how you solve a linear equations by all the methods which we learned in my previous classes. In previous classes, I learned that how to solve a linear programming problem by elimination method, by substitution method, and by graphical method. All three methods I already discussed with you. Now today I am going to show you that if you apply any kind of method, you will get same result of linear equation. Now I am going to discuss with this particular problem that if such problem come, you can solve any linear program problem or such problem by all the method. Now for this I am going to discuss to solve these two linear equation by elimination method first, then substitution method, and finally I will discuss to you this particular problem by graphical method also. Now in first method, the first method is what? Elimination method. Elimination method. Now what is my elimination method? In elimination method, first I equate the coefficient of x variable or y variable in both the equation and then eliminate that particular variable from the equation and find out the solution of linear equation and find out one variable value, and with the help of that particular variable value we will put that value of variable in different equation, either in equation 1 or 2, find out the another variable value. So this is how we proceed. Now I am going to tell you that how you eliminate once again. This is equation number 1, this one is equation number 2. Now you can equate either x variable or y variable. Now here x coefficient is 2, but in this case my x coefficient is 1. To make this 2, you need to multiply the second equation by 2, so that after multiplication whole equation you will get 2 over here, so that this 2 and 2 become equal and I can easily eliminate my x variable. Now when you multiply this 2 in this equation, you will get 2x minus 2 2s are 4y is equal to minus 4, and equation 1 I rewrite again 2x plus y is equal to 6. Now since you have 2x 2y both positive, to eliminate x from the equation you need to subtract both equations. So I am subtracting by changing the sign. This is plus 2x, this is minus 2x gone. This is minus 4 minus y. Whenever the two sign is same, you have to add both the variables. Now this is 4y, 1y, you will get minus 5y is equal to minus again the same sign. So 4 and 6 comes 10. Minus gone, you will get y equal to 2. Y equal to 2 when you divide this value. 5 to the 10. So you will get y equal to 2. Now you have one variable value. The solution of one variable of this linear equation. Now with the help of this, I am going to put this value in either equation 1 or equation 2. You will get x variable also. Now I am putting this value in equation 2. This equation. So what is my equation number 2? X minus 2y is equal to minus 2. So x remains same, minus 2, and this y I am substitute this value, will get minus 2. So x 2 2s are 4 is equal to minus 2. So x become minus 2. When this go in right hand side it comes positive. So x value is 2. Now in this case you have the solution x equal to 2, y equal to 2. How you can check whether my answer is correct or not? Put this value in any of the equation, you will get the left hand side value is equal to right hand side value, means equality of the equation. So if I put 2 over here, I will get 2 minus of 4. So 2 minus 4 will give me minus 2. It means y equal to 2, x equal to is my solution. So I am writing here my x value is 2, y value is 2 with the help of elimination method. Now the same problem I am going to discuss by solving the same problem by substitution method. Now in substitution method, what is my step? My step is you need to take any equation, find out one variable value in terms of another variable value, and then put that variable value in different equation. You will get solution, find a solution and find the one variable value. Now I am going to discuss. Now this is 2x, first equation 2x plus y equal to 6. Second is x minus 2y equal to minus 2. This one is equation number 1. Equation number 2, solve this linear programming problem. So solve this linear equation by substitution method. Now I am taking any one equation. I am taking this one. This is my equation. So y plus 2x is equal to 6. So what is y here? So y is what? 6 minus of 2x. Now in first step, in step number 1, I am taking one equation and find out one variable value in terms of another variable value. So y equal to what? 6 minus 2x. Since this is equation 1, so I put this value in equation number 2. Instead of y, I am substituting the value, because this is substitution method. So I am substituting this y value here. So this equation become x minus 2y is equal to minus 2. I rewrite this equation again. Then x minus 2. Instead of y, I am substituting this value. 6 minus 2x is equal to minus 2. So this is x minus 2, 6 are 12. This minus comes positive. 2 2s are 4. X equal to minus 2. So this is plus 4x. This is 1x. You will get 5x minus of 12 is equal to minus 2. So 5x is what? Minus 2 plus 12 comes 10. 5 2s are 10. You will get x equal to 2. Now you have the solution of the equation. You find out x equal to 2. Now I will get the second variable value. Put this value over here. So you can put this value either in this equation, or this equation. Any equation you can take, you will get the same result. So I am putting my x equal to 2 in this equation. What will be y? 6 minus of 2x. 6 minus of 2 multiply by 2. I am putting this x value 2 over here. So you will get y equal to 6 minus 2 2s are 4. So y become 2 again. So in this I will get the same result, x equal to 2, y equal to 2. So when you apply any method, which one is similar to you, you will get same result. I am just going to tell you the graphical method also you will get the same result, and but the different is approach. But approach is different in different kind of method. So this is elimination method, this is substitution method. I repeat again, in elimination method, you first make the coefficient value equal and then eliminate that from the equation. You will get one variable value. With the help of this, putting the value in any kind of equation, you will get second variable value. Now the same is in substitution method, you will get same result, x equal to 2, y equal to 2, but in this case you first take any equation, find out in first step, find out one variable value in terms of another value. In step number 2, you are substituting this value in different equation. So I am taking this equation, you substitute this value over here because this is substitution method. So once you put this value and solve it, you will get x equal to 2. After this, you can put this x value in any of equation, you will get y equal to 2. So this is the solution of linear equations by elimination method and substitution method. Now I am going to discuss how to solve the same problem by graphical method. Now, in graphical method, Now, in graphical method, first you convert your basic equation into y equal to mx plus c form. I know this is a straight line equation. So first you convert both equation in this form and then find out the straight line and where the both line are intersecting. That is the solution of the equation. Now from equation 1, this one. So I am taking equation 1, equation number 1, and this is 2x plus y equal to 6. So from here, what is my y value? Y value is what? Minus 2x plus 6. Now I am equating this equation with y equal to mx plus c. So if you equate, your m value is what? Minus of 2 by 1. And what is your c value? My c value is 6. Okay, fine. Now I start with this point, c point. So this is my graph, right? This one is positive x-axis, this one is positive y, this one is negative x-axis, negative y. Now this is positive 6, this is y-intercept. So this is y-intercept, whether my straight line is cut on y-axis, x c equal to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my line must pass from this point. C is equal to 6. Now, this slope play a very important role to draw a line. Since this value is negative, it means negative value means downward motion. Downward motion. How much downward? 2 step down, 1 step right. 1 step right. You can see my lecture video in previous classes. So this is 2 downward. From this point, put your finger over here. 2 step down. Why it is down? Because it's a negative sign. So 2 step down, 1 step right. So I mark the sign, the value on x-axis 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 step down. So 2 step down, 1 step right. 1 step right. Again 2 step down, 1 step right. Again 2 step down, 1 step right. So with the help of all these 4 points, you can draw a straight line, and this straight line represents this equation y equal to minus of 2x plus 6. Now with the help of second, again you need to draw second straight line from equation 2. Now from equation 2, my equation 2 is what? X minus of 2y equal to minus 2. So from here, my 2y is equal to x plus 2. So y value is what? 1 by 2x plus 2 by 2. 2 by 2. 2 by 2 comes what? 1. 2 by 2 comes 1. So my equation is 1 by 2x plus 1. Now, this is your equation. Your equation is what? Y equal to 1 by 2x plus 1. Compare this value of equation with your standard equation y equal to mx plus c. So from here I get to know that my m value is what? 1 by 2, which is positive, and my c value is what? C value is 1. Now my m value is positive. Positive means upward motion. Upward motion. How much? 1 step upward, 2 step rightward. This one is the right direction. Right direction. And C is your basic point from where you start your drawing the line. So this is C equal to 1, positive 1. So my line must pass from this point. Now 1 step upward, 2 step rightward. So 1 step upward, 2 step rightward. Okay, yes. You find out the value. You find out the intersecting point. Now again, 1 step upward, 2 step rightward. This point. 1 step upward, 2 step rightward. This one. So with the help of these 4 lines, I am going to draw a straight line, and this straight line represents the equation x minus 2y is equal to minus 2. Now this is the straight line for this equation. This one is straight line for this equation. Both lines are intersecting at this point. This point is the point of intersection and the solution of linear equation. So this coordinate of this point is what? 2x, 2y. So this coordinate is 2, 2. It means that from this coordinate, what is my x value, sir? My x value is 2, y value is 2. Again, you will get the same result. The beauty of the method was if you apply any kind of method, you will get same result always. But the method and concept must be clear to all of you. Otherwise, if there is any error, you will not get the same result. And I recommend you, I advise to you, to all of my students and parents and teachers, that after putting this value in an equation, you will get equality of both sides, left hand side and right hand side. If I am putting this x equal to 2 over here, you will get 4. and this 2, the 4 plus 2 is give you 6. It means my left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. It means your answer is correct, absolutely correct, and you are on the right track. So this is how we solve elimination method, substitution method, and this one graphical method to solve linear equations. Thank you. This is the last equation, last example to solve, to show it to you all method combined. Thank you.